Giving your customers options is important to help them find what they need. That's why we designed our website to give you more options for products. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to view product families, compatible items, and recommended alternatives when a product is unavailable. We'll start with product families. If an item is part of a product family, you will see the other items within that family on the product detail page. Select the flavor or variety you want. To add efficiency to your ordering experience, we also show compatible items in the product detail page for some of our non-food products. For example, you can find lids for a cup. If a product isn't available within the time frame you need it, we'll show you recommended alternatives so you can still serve your customer. You can find these alternatives on the product detail page. We hope this video helps you discover products. If you have any questions, please contact our website support team.